My YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you are be fine and good now with your family member. And because like many of people today comments me on this game, dive deeper game about. So I asking you, I will be making video because this time I'm waking. I'm never be washing your face. But first of all, I will be this game starting now. So I will be explaining you how to be complete to be this game meter depth. First of all, I asking you something. When you will be starting this game and you will be click on this option when you download this game, okay, so then you will be click on status options because this is the more important options. As you checking on this your game, have you available on this game, which game you download now, so then you will be starting this game. If you not to show your game on status, so you never be receiving your reward. So guys, this game and today like be I will be completed to be tell to you how to complete to be 50 meters. So everything so much easily now. Only I request to you be carefully completely end of watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be helping to you. So let's start this video. Okay guys, I will already download this game and I will be explain to you how to complete to be this game. It is 50 because many of people know to be telling to you, but I will be explaining you how to be complete to be this game meter that. So let's start now, and don't to skip my video because I will be helping to you. Be carefully and of watching my video. First of all, when you will be starting this game and you using these options, okay, so I'll be using these options. I will be explaining you. Okay, I will be click him and to be claim to my reward. Oh sorry, clicking on these options like be this is the big benefit. If you watching this ad, so you will be earn double coins because many of people may be not to be telling to you, but I will explain you how to complete to be this game meters. So guys, you checking know how much I will be earning coins before you watching X3 claim the reward, because this is the more important for you because many of people not to be watching now, so then he not to be receiving your reward like B3. So okay, again tap to on this game. So before you will be watching X3 again the watch the video because many of ads available on this game and this is the more painful for me, and claim on this gear. And before watching X3 claim, so you checking on this option. And guys, again to be don't to be skip. So checking now on these options, I will be show you how this benefit give you more coins. You checking now and I be first of all purchasing to be not to be first of all more that I purchasing to be more treasure because this is the more important for me, more treasure. Okay, so this time I have 34x and 35. So first of all, you more treasure you will be purchasing now. This is the more benefit for you, and next to be you will be offline earnings purchasing now. Maximum to be offline 180 minutes you will be purchasing, then you will be starting your more depth. So you see you easily to complete to be this game more depth, and I hope you will be in this. because my reason I will be explain you these options about, and also to be here options to be this is my reward, and also to be click on and you will be receiving your reward. So here be many of the options available now, and please you every time try to these options, okay? And these options give you double coins and you also to be x3 claim the video. So I hope you will be understand now. Thank you so much.